G'day guys, welcome back to another video. It's a banging day for it. I've got a 30-minute full body fat burning workout for you. If you haven't checked out my other videos, quickly go check them out. They'll explain this workout for you. Today's just a follow along. You can pause the video if you need to. You watch it at home, you can have it out on your phone outdoors. So the warm up, I'm not going to do a warm up because I've just ridden the bike here. The warm up will be just some star jumps, do 35 of them, and then get into some mountain climbers. So star jumps, 35 of those bad boys, and then I don't know if you're going to be able to see me, hopefully mountain climbers, 30 seconds of them, and do 2 rounds of them, and then get into the workout. So as I said, the workout was in my last video, so you'll be able to sort of get it into your head before you get into the follow along right now, or you can just follow along, it doesn't really matter. So first one, we'll get into some bodyweight squats. Alright, so when you've done that, you can have 30 seconds or a minute 30 rest, or longer if you need it. I like going straight into the wall sit, so straight into it if you want, 30 seconds or however long you can hold it for, max out. I'm not sure how long because I normally use my phone for the timer and this is filming, so I'll just wing it. Think about having long areas, so like when you've got the ponytail, like when you want to put your head dead center and the thing gets in the road, you've got to sort of put it offset it. Shifts me a little. So make sure you have the arms out like this, extended, pushing through the ground. Excuse the guy mowing the lawn. It smells fresh, but fresh cuts. Alright, bang. So 30 seconds or a minute 30 rest, then you can jump into the next exercise. Every time I ride out here, I get here, I'm busting for a piss, and today I decided I'm going to go to the toilet beforehand. I get here, still got to go. I'm going to have to go to the trees again. Can't do it mid-workout though. I don't know about you guys, but really love working outdoors. Much prefer getting outside than working indoors. Comment below if you would rather work outdoors or indoors. Especially in summer, get outdoors. Alright, not sure how long I've got, but I'm going to get into it. So now just into your push-ups. Choose which variation you want to do. You can do incline, decline, normal, whatever you want to do. Hopefully you can see me. Hope you guys can see me. Smash out them. If not, I do push-ups. That sun's got some bite to it. Be back. Just need some water. Good to keep the fluids up. Sip during the workout. What's up, boys? Hopefully the lads over there, they don't know if I'm going to have to steal the bar in a moment. They might have some moves for you. Long I've got, but what we're going to do is we're going to do leg raises, dips, and then straight bar dips on these parallel bars that you can see. Righty-o. Lost count on that. Don't know how many I did, but go for 15, or whatever you can. I've also been trying to do these all in one move, so sometimes I'll do the leg raises into the dips, and then I'm going to try and get to the point where I can get leg raises into the dips, and then swing around into straight bar dips, all in one move. Good time under tension movement there. Stabilizing muscles and everything. Alright, we'll get into it. I'm a bad teacher. I got distracted again. I don't even know how many did, but I felt like I was struggling on that today. The guys were distracting me. New followers. Getting famous. Alright, bit of a rest. Grab some water. Into straight bar dips. Good burn today, very good burn. If you want, you can swap one of these chest exercise for a shoulder exercise if you want. Suss out pipe push-ups or handstand push-ups if you can do them, or even do some shoulder raises or whatever you want to incorporate. Just gives you some ideas that you can do over summer or whenever. You can see there's a bit of a crowd. It's a good day. 2 more exercises to do. Doing it. See you guys, you have a good day. Enjoy. So yeah, we'll get into pull-ups next, and then inverted rows or Australian pull-ups. Australian rows, sorry. And yeah, I don't know how long I've been resting for, but cute little doggy there. Just incorporated pull-ups back in the regime. Need to build the strength back up. I was feeling weak after doing them even 2 days ago, so couldn't get 10. So got the assisted ones in there to help push out 10. So don't forget you can do that as well. All right, we've got 1 more to go, and then we're done for 1 round. Happy days. One of the easier camera movements today, so we're at 15 minutes. Probably if you cut out all my crap, let's say it'd be about 13 minutes. And there's one. So we're going to do the Australian rows over there. Yeah, really like this workout. I've been doing it for a couple of months now, and keeping the time shorter has, you know, made it more of a HIIT type workout. So, you know, your heart rate is elevated. You can hear I'm still puffing a bit, and then putting that in with the bike ride out here with a bit of a cardiovascular, it's been good. So accompany that along with some eating, if I can talk properly, accompany that along with healthy eating, so whole foods and less processed crap, and, you know, have that stuff every now and then. Drink plenty of water, you should see some good results. Alright, let's just get into it. Get it done. Happy days. there you go. There you go, guys. That's one round done. So you do 2 to 3 of them. Have a 4-minute rest at the end, or shorter or longer. Help keep the workout into 30 minutes. You smash through it real quick. You can get all the rounds done in 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe, check out my other vids. Stay tuned for another video. Enjoy the day. Vibrate high. Happy days.